took me back to one of my core philosophies around how I look at, how I evaluate, and how I write code. And I know I've said this to James before. I may have said it to Steve before, but this comes in 3 stages. And the first stage is make it work. Just get code in place that works. One of the biggest drivers of legacy issues is when developers stop there. Okay. The next stage is make it good, make the code understandable. So internally, the code now is more stable within itself. You can still have legacy issues because the pieces of code aren't necessarily talking to each other well. There are still reasons to refactor otherwise good code, but you've at least taken the step to make it good. The third step, and the one that is like the thing that's most proof legacy hitting you, is when you go from make it good to make it maintainable. Make it a living dynamic part of this other living dynamic system so that it can be extended, it can be changed if necessary, it can be swapped out,